Hey, everybody, this is Jesse with Survival Summit. I'm pretty excited today to announce a special partnership with a company called Duration Health. We have become a brand ambassador for them. This company is essentially a technology platform that gets people like you and me connected with affiliated healthcare professionals where we can get a hold of emergency antibiotics. We can get a hold of special prescriptions like an EpiPen, albuterol, malaria medication if you happen to be going to either Africa or South America or a country where you may have a chance of getting malaria. This is a real step up in the game of preparedness. Everyone has a trauma kit. Everyone's got a first aid kit. We all have our bug out bags. And these guys, there's a couple other companies that are doing it, but a lot of the other companies are very limited in what they're offering. They're offering access to a specific amount of antibiotics. Duration Health, man, these guys have so many different add-ons. Of course, you need to talk to one of their affiliated doctors. Not everyone is going to be approved. There is a full disclaimer at the end of this video. Make sure you listen to it. But I want to tell you guys, we don't make a lot of money if you guys buy these kits. We make a very small amount of money, and you can use our coupon code and save $50. But man, I really believe in this. I really think people need to be more prepared, especially if you're doing a lot of traveling, if you're living off grid, if you're going to be, out in the forest for an extended period of time, or if the grid goes down. Anything crazy that could happen. There's so much going on in the world right now. This is just another way to, like I said, to step up your prepper game, to be more prepared in the event that something should happen and you don't have access to a doctor or any medical professional. Without further ado, let me show you the kit. All right, this is the kit I was telling you guys about. Now, this isn't just the Duration Health standard adult kit or even the family kit. This is the maxed out version with a ton of different add-ons. These kits also come with a field guide, and this field guide talks about the different medicines, the different treatments, introduction to the medicines. This company, unlike some of the others that only provide emergency antibiotics, this company covers a wide range: abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, allergies, back pain. Just you name it, it's in here. They have antibiotics. They have the generic for Tamiflu. They have the EpiPen, an EpiPen trainer, albuterol. There's just a ton of stuff for really stepping up your game as a prepper or as just someone who's into preparedness. Someone who might be living off grid, someone who might be going on a trip for weeks at a time. You don't know what you're going to run into. You're hours away from a doctor. I've added a couple items in this kit that you cannot get through these guys. Potassium iodide tablets. I have the strength for adults, for children, and my personal new favorite, this is basically a personal radiation detector. So those items I've added on, you cannot get them through Duration Health. Now, you guys can save $50 on a kit if you go through our website. The link is in the bio, or you could just go to thesurvivalsummit.com, and it'll bring you to Duration Health using our coupon code. We don't make a lot of money with these guys, but man, we really believe in this product. We really believe in this company. We really believe that people need to be as prepared as humanly possible. In our opinion, this is one of the best companies for this type of emergency prescription and emergency antibiotic setup. I love the case. It comes with, if you get the family kit, you get the large case and you get the small case. There's just so much stuff that you can add on. The field guide is really indispensable. Now remember, you are going to have to speak to a physician. Not everyone is going to get approved for just any medication that you want. You're really going to have a need. So keep that in mind, but it's a very simple process. I went through the process. I met with the doctor online. I discussed just everything you could possibly think of. They really give you their time. They're not trying to rush you in and out. It's really a nice process with some real professionals. So if you guys want to step up your game and get some emergency antibiotics, some emergency prescriptions, this is the way to do it. This is amazing. Try going to your regular doctor and telling him, hey, I might be gone for, 3 months, 4 months out in, the wilderness. Can you give me a bunch of prescriptions? He's probably going to laugh at you. Go check these guys out and let us know what you think.
Only a Duration Health provider can decide whether it is medically appropriate for you to receive prescriptions. Survival Summit is engaged in marketing whereby Duration Health pays us through the Duration Health Brand Ambassador Program. Survival Summit nor Duration Health Incorporated does not offer professional medical services or advice and does not prescribe or sell prescription medication. Instead, Duration Health is a technology platform that connects consumers to affiliated licensed healthcare professionals, enabling them to obtain independent medical consultations tailored to their personal circumstances. Not all consumers who seek consultation through Duration Health's platform will be eligible for a medical kit. Eligibility is highly dependent on the travel plans and each patient's medical history, as determined at the discretion of the affiliated physician. Medications in your kit may be different from those shown here. No representations or promises regarding expected performance for any individual's personalized medical kit or experience or about any professional medical services are being made in this post. All statements are based on my own opinions and personal experience only.